Hey Glue Army, welcome back to another tutorial. Want this AE-like glowing text on CapCut?
Flint Marco, man who killed Uncle Ben. He was killed last night.
What happened?
Spider-Man killed him.
Spider-Man?
Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to get AE-like text glow on CapCut to make people feel like you're editing on After Effects. Let's not waste any more time and get started.
Ben. He was killed last night.
What happened?
Spider-Man killed him.
Spider-Man? I don't understand. Spider-Man doesn't kill people.
That's it for the tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you did, consider dropping a like on the video and subscribing to the channel for more awesome tutorials. Also comment what tutorial you guys want next. With that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.